number 9, you're going to find the area of the shaded polygon round to the nearest 10. So what we have here is this polygon. All right. The area of any regular polygon can define by the area is equal to 1/2 the apothem, which is the A, times the perimeter of the shape. Okay. So what we need to do is find the apothem. What the apothem is referred to as this part. All right. Okay. So we have to find a way around that. Right. So we need to know, first of all, what this triangle is. Okay. So each piece of this polygon can be split into 360 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one triangle here can be seen as 72 degrees right here. Okay. Then we know that this is 5. We're trying to find this. So that individual piece, what's 72 divided by 2? This gets you 36. Okay. And this is 5. Right? Next, so I'm just splitting it into small pieces. I can find what this piece is using Pythagorean by using trig ratios. Okay. So I can do my trig ratio. Let's see. This is the opposite. So sine of 36 is equal to opposite over 5. So it's 5 sine 36 equal to the opposite. Find sine 36. So the opposite is roughly, let's say, just make it 3. Okay, so this is 3. So if this is 3, the entire thing is 3 plus 3, which is 6. So this is 6, right? 6, 6, 6, 6. So the perimeter here is 6 times 5, which is 30. Perfect. We have the perimeter as 30, right? I need to find the apothem, which is this. So we can just do another trig ratio. Cosine of 36 is equal to A over adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 5. So it's 5 cosine 36 is equal to the apothem. 5 times cosine of 36, that gets you around, I think, 4 as the apothem. Okay. So the apothem here, it is 4. Right. So there you go. I have 1/2 4 times 30. 1/2 4 times 30. Okay. That gets me my area equals to 60. Right. So that is how you do it if you aren't given the apothem. B. Here you are given the apothem. So area equals to 1/2. You're already given the apothem. The apothem is equal to 4, but you need to know what the perimeter is. To find the perimeter, you still have to see this into its individual pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 360 divided by 6, that is 60. So each triangle here is 60. So if I cut it in half, which is 4, I have my individual right triangle as 30. And if I want to find this, which is the opposite, I can draw my person here. And I know that this is 4. So I can use tan. Tan of 30 is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is 4, multiplied by 4. 4 tan 30 gets me my opposite. So 4 tan 30 gets me my opposite, 2.3. So my opposite is 2.3. So this piece is 2.3. So it's 2.3 for one of the right triangle, 2.3 for the other. 2.3 is 4.6. So the sides are roughly 4.6 each. Okay, once you have 4.6 each, you can now add them up. I think there's 6 total sides, right? Yep. So the perimeter is 27.7. The apothem is 4. and then we multiply it by a half. So we have a half times 4 times 27.7. It gets you area is equal to 55.4. So there you go.